हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एजुकेशनल विला। चलते आज डिस्कशन करबा हमर ओपीएससी रो आंसर सीट उपरे जीएस पेपर 1 रो आंसर्स। सो प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपनकर द गवर्निंग काउंसिल ऑफ नीति आयोग कंप्रेजेस ऑफ, यार आंसर हबो ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड ऑल द चीफ मिनिस्टर्स। नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन द चेयरमैन ऑफ जोनल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया इज, नंबर सी आंसर हबो तार यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर। Number 3, for every country, global hunger index valued are determined by which of the following indicators? एटी चार्ट इंडिकेटर्स देछि आपनकर आंसर हबो डी माने all the indicators. Then number 4, the reserve held by commercial banks over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI are called case reserve हबो यार आंसर. Then number 5, which of the following promotes the concept of self-help group for financing poor? यार आंसर हबो सी नाबार्ड. Which of the following is not a financial inclusion scheme? यार आंसर हबो डी हृदय. Number 7, Sisu, Kishore and Tarun are the schemes of regional rural banks. Answer haba D. Then number 8, which of the following indicators is not used to calculate human development index? Here answer haba D, social inequality. Then number 9, which of the following committees recommended the poverty line based on nutritional requirements inclusively? Here answer haba C, Alga committee. Then number C, the first sustainable development goal to eradicate extremely poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? Answer number D, people who live in less than 0.25 a day. Then number 11, which is the highest allocation ministry or in budget 2021 and 2022? Your answer is A, Ministry of Defence. Number 12, central government has unveiled a new series of consumer price index for industrial workers with dash as a base year, set about 2016. Number 13 question है the contribution of the primary sector to GDP of India is, number D होगा यार answer at times increasing and at times decreasing over the years. The number 14, Robin Hood effect is related to which of the following? तो आपनकर आंसर होगा C, income redistribution. Then answer number तमरो आंसर देखिबा 15 नंबर आंसर देखिबा. Out of the four concept of money supply used in India, MA, M2, M3 and M4, the post office savings are included M2 and M4 only. Then number 16 answer देखिबा, the insurance regulatory and development authority is which type of body? It is a statutory body. Our answer होगा B. Then number 17, deforestation is not a direct cause of dash. Your answer होगा D, species invention. Then number 18, the succession where the community increases its diversity and complexity with time is called, your answer होगा B, progressive succession. Then आपनकर आसीबा number 19 को, biochemical oxygen demand of water is a measure of dash. आपनकर यार आंसर होगा C, water organic load. Then number 20, which of the following does not belong to the air natural air pollutant? यार आंसर होगा D, ex situ conservation include, यार आंसर होगा botanical garden. The next question, the database generated by ENVIS is used for the management of biodiversity. CBD is expanded as, आपनकर यार आंसर होगा A, convention on biodiversity. Then चलन्तु जिबा next question को, which of the following is a correct combination? आपनकर D आंसर होबो बालुकुंडा black buck. Then आपनकर 25 number question हैला, which of the following is expected to be a cause of the rise in sea level? आपनकर आंसर होबो C, melting of polar ice cap. Then next question is, the solar energy is a dash. It is a non-conventional energy source, that is answer B. Then next question are, bats use dash to navigate and find food. आपनकर आंसर होबो D, that is echolocation. Then 28 number question हैला, the next question is, nucleic acid present in coronavirus is कौन? आपनकर आंसर होबो यारो number C, that is ribonucleic acid. Then number 29, television signals are, your answer hobo both frequency and amplitude modulated. Then आपन next question is electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in electronic motor, that is answer number C. Then 1 light year is answer number A, the distance traveled by light in a free space in 1 year. Then आपन आसिबा 32 number question को bleeding from nose is caused when a person is there at आपन answer होबा A, higher altitude where atmospheric pressure is low. Then 33 number question, the main component of biogas is आपनकर answer number है C, methane. Then subatomic particles are आपनकर एटा हबो all of these electrons, protons and neutrons. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas because of binds of hemoglobin. Then next question, which is not a synthetic polymer? आपनकर answer हबो D, resin. Then B, sting causes severe pain and burning sensation due to the presence of gas. आपनकर answer हबो D, methanoic acid. Then albinism is caused due to the deficiency of DAS, that is enzyme. In ballpoint pens, dyes used are oil based, that is answer number D. The next question, which one of the following colors is least deviated by a glass prism, that is red. The next, Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of banyan. Then upon next question is Spirogyra is a kind of dust, that is algae. Which of the following substances is not synthetic, that is fibroin. Then next is change in the base sequence within a gene is called, that is mutation. Then next question को जीवा, hypospinter is used to measure अपन को answer होगा D, the depth of ocean. The next question is Sagarmala project is under which ministry of government of India, that is Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. The next question 47, which country has begun its 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member of UN Security Council, that is India. Answer number C. Then 48, who is the chairman of the state commissioner for backward caste in Odisha, that is Justice Raghunath Bishwal. Then next is our, which of the following is not correct, that is answer number D. Sambat conference is being held every year since 2015 between India and Thailand, that is not true. The next question is Shanghai Cooperation Organization heads of state summit was held in 10th November 2020 in a video conference format. The summit was hosted by Russia, that is answer number A. Which countries has become the 6th member of Five Eyes intelligence network, that is Japan. Then what was the theme of the World Sustainable Development Summit 2020, that is answer number A, towards 2030 goals, making the decade count. Then answer number 53, who among the following person of Odisha is the Padma Vibhushan awardee for 2021 for distinguished service in the field of arts, that is Sudarshan Sahu. Then 44, that is 54, the recipient of Atibadi Jagannath Das Literary Award awarded by Sahitya Academy of Odisha for 2020 is Ramachandra Behera. Then 55, the freshwater lake built by India near its research station Maitri in Antarctica is known as Priyadarshini. Then next question is the Mars Perseverance rover that landed on the Mars on 18th February 2021 was launched by the United States of America, that is answer number B. The next question, the state of Jammu Kashmir was made a union territory of India with effect from 31st October 2019. Then next question, the protest movement organized at Shaheen Bagh in Delhi from 14th December 2019 to 24th March 2020 was against, अपन को आंसर होगा C, that is the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. चलन next question को जीवा, the military skirmishes that occurred between China and India since 5th May 2020 in the Galwan Valley involved territorial disputes over आपणकर आंसर हम ए द पैंगोंग लेक एरिया. देन चलतु क्वेश्चन नंबर 60 को जीवा. व्हिच वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ वस्ता महाजनपद दैट इज कौशंबी. आंसर नंबर बी. Then 61. Which of the following sources indicate that the last Mauryan ruler Brihadrath was assassinated by Vishwamitra? That is answer number B. Gargi Samhita. Then next question. Who among the Gupta rulers was first to bear higher political title of Maharajadhiraja? That is Chandragupta I. Then Chandragupta I, that is answer number B. 63. Who overthrew the Rashtrakutas in 973 AD, that is Taila II of Western Chalukya. The next question ku jiba. Which of the following Mughal sources was translated into Persian by Painda Khan, that is Babarnama? Who was the author of Tariq-e-Daudi, that is Abdullah? Answer number B. Then 66. Who had prepared the proclamation known as Mahjad issued in September 1579, that is Abdul Fazil? What was the term used for the regional officer in Mughal administration, that is Muhtasib? The next question apan British concluded Treaty of Surat in 1775 with Raghunath Rao. Answer number C. The next is which of the following land revenue settlement was first to have concluded with the village community? That is Rothwari settlement. Answer number C. What was the title of the first newspaper published by James Augustus Hickey? That is answer number D. The Bengal Gazette. The next question. Who compared the Salt March of Gandhi to Napoleon's march to Paris on his return from Elba? That is Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer number B. The next question. Who founded the Deccan Educational Society? None of them. यांको भितर कहीं हेले भी करिना Deccan Educational Society. The next question. Who was the chairman of the first Famine Commission in 1818? That is Sir Richard Strachey. The next question. The Middle Himalayan range originated in Pliocene. Then which of the following is not an example of Black Mountain? That is answer number B. Western Ghats Mountain. चलन तो next question को जीवा. Which of the following tributaries of Indus River emerges from Pir Panjal range? That is answer number D. Jhelum. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Answer number B haba Bajada wins. Then 78 number question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? That is answer number B. Armingar Current, North Pacific. The next question is which of the following is not correctly matched? आपनकर आंसर नंबर बी हब कोतेश्वर प्रोजेक्ट ताप्ती रिवर. The next question को जिबा. Which of the following human races has woolly hairs? That is negroid. Then next question को जिबा. In which of the following demographic transition stages the intensive subsistence farming is prevalent? That is B. Stage 2. The next question is it is 12 noon at Greenwich. What will be the time at a place situated at 60° east longitude? That is 4 PM होगा. मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन टिके शॉर्ट वीडियो होची बोली तेणुकर ये पॉसिबल होनी पर आम आपको टेलीग्राम रे यार प्रॉपर आंसर प्रोवाइड करदेमा विथ आपणकर मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन सहित. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा. What is the significance of Dakshin Gangotri? That is answer number C. It is a scientific base station in Antarctica. The next question को जीवा. In India, El Nino is very often associated with dash. That is answer number B. A bad monsoon weather with low rain and crop failure. The next question आपनकर होची in the atmosphere which of the following carries the ozone layer? That is stratosphere. The next question is which of the following is a predominant species of the deciduous forest of Odisha, that is Sal. Answer number C. Next question ku jiba. Slash and burn cultivation related to which of the following? Answer number C hoba apankara subsistence agriculture. Then next question ku jiba. The ideal of welfare state in the Indian constitution is enshrined in its, answer number B hoba directive principles of state policy. Next question. Who, as per the provisions of the constitution, declares an area as a scheduled area, that is President of India. Next question. The concurrent list in the Constitution of India was adopted from Australia. Australia रो आमे adopt करचु concurrent list idea को. The next question 91. Which schedule of the Constitution of India distributes power between the Union and its states? That is answer number D, 7th schedule. Then 92. Mandamus is a writ issued by the apex court, that is answer number A hobo, asking a public official or any authority to perform legal duties. Then next question. Any money bill cannot be introduced in the parliament without the consent of the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer number C. The next question. The first state in India which was created on linguistic basis, that is Andhra Pradesh. Answer number A. Next question. The right of education for all between 6 and 14 years of age has been included as fundamental right in the year 2002. That is answer number C. Then one of the following now is not a Department of Finance Ministry. Answer number D hoba Department of Banking Affairs. The next question. The All India Whips Conference is organized by, answer number A hoba Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Next question ku jiba. The purpose of uniform civil code incorporated in Article 44 of Indian Constitution is for cultural integration. That is answer number B. Then 99 question. Policy as rational choice in competitive situation is, answer number B of a rational theory. Rational theory पर आधारित. Then 100 number question देखिबा. Keeping control over delegated legislations is the power of dash, that is Lok Sabha. Answer number B. So आपनकर आंसर एठी सॉरी जाउची क्वेश्चंस. जदि सेशन टी भलो लागिथिबो देन लाइक सब्सक्राइब एवं शेयर मध्ये करि परिबे. धन्यवाद.